po mga kababayan, ma'am sir. This is Jam, the Filipino channel ng niya pong lingkod. So today is July 3, 2026 at tayo ngayon ay papunta dito yan sa may Newport Ward Resort sa may Newport Boulevard po yan, barangay 183 Pasay, at dadalhin po natin sa may Parque Espanya Alabang, sa may Alabang, Muntinlupa po yan. Okay, magbabalik po tayo mamaya unti po. Nakuha na po natin sila at disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya naman, sakasakali man po na may marinig kayong mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organisasyon sa government o private yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ang channel na ito. At wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito naman po yan sa loob. At wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Magbabalik po tayo mamayang konti pag nakuha na po natin sila.
Continue straight at this traffic light.
Ay, Diyos ko. We should go to Grabe, 17 kilometers.
Head southeast on Newport Boulevard. Continue for 400 meters, then make a left U-turn to stay on Newport Boulevard. Continue straight at the first traffic light. Then, in 200 meters, make a left U-turn. In 100 meters, make a left U-turn to stay on Newport Boulevard. In 80 meters, make a left U-turn.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Mr. Muhammad?
Yeah.
Arriving in 22 minutes at 2:11 a.m. Estimated toll fee is 209 peso. In 100 meters, turn right onto Sales Road. make a left U-turn to stay on Newport Boulevard.
You will take the Skyway, right?
Yeah?
Skyway, right?
Yeah, Skyway.
Okay.
In 80 meters, turn right. In 40 meters, turn right towards Circulo del Mundo, Newport City. In 200 meters, keep left at the fork onto NAIA Expressway towards E6, Terminals 1 and 2. In 90 meters, keep left at the fork.
Đến đèn cậu máu. Đây là cái gì chứ? Bữa xưa để là cái tiệm với ký số số á chứ. Kinh khủng.
In 200 meters, merge right onto NAIA Expressway. In 100 meters, turn right off the ramp towards Naya Terminal 3. In 200 meters, enter Circulo del Mundo. In 400 meters, keep left at the fork onto Andrews Avenue. In 100 meters, keep left at the fork.
3 minggu lagi jumpa kita kat sini. Sebelum buat airport, sebelum buat terus.
Continue for 800 meters, then merge left onto NAIA Expressway. Continue straight at the first traffic light. Then, in 700 meters, merge left.
flight semua sama kan?
Hmm?
Yang flight semua sama kan?
Oh, tadi saya cakap semua pukul 11.
11 kan? Mana 5 6.
Keep left and continue straight.
Biarkan dia bulan. Terbang di laut. Dah gaji masuk.
Nanti masuk. Oh, sedap.
Dah tahu dia potong berapa kan?
Ni motor ni kau aku kena call Maybank pula. Call Maybank. Masuk gaji lebih kurang 10,000.
Tahun baru kan?
Untuk tahun ni baru masuk lebih kurang 10,000.
Email dia tu kan?
Ada bukit botol tadi.
Kalau dia ni, kalau kena potong lah, dia potong lah. Jadi apa? Kalau kena hold, dia hold lah. Dia telefon lah.
Dia tak ada kita. Tapi dia ada kita.
Kau tak dapat lah, kita kat laut. Tak boleh kita email dia. Use email dia kan.
Keep left and continue straight. Continue for 1 kilometre, then keep left and forward onto Skyway towards Alabang and Phillip West City. Enter leftmost lane, then in 400 meters, turn left at the traffic light. Head west on Skyway towards Alabang, West City, then in 400 enter leftmost lane, then in 200 meters, turn left at the traffic light. In 200 meters, turn left at the traffic light. Enter leftmost lane, then in 100 meters, turn left at the traffic light. Enter leftmost lane, then in 70 meters, turn left at the traffic light. In 60 meters, turn right onto East Asia Drive. In 100 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Left side or right side?
Left.
Left.
You have arrived at your destination.
This is one way, right?
Yeah, one way.
One way.
Two way.
Two way.
Two way?
Two way.
Oh,
This one two way.
wait. I could get the violation if I Yes, sir. I will add the toll is 199. Five one three.
Wait na.
Okay. Thank you, sir. God
Okay.
bless po. Thank you.
Head south on East Asia Drive. Passenger is sharing their location.
Ayan, so na-drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po. Ingat at God bless.
In
Alam
90
po muna.
meters, turn right onto Promenade
Pansamantala,
Avenue.
tayo ay gagawa na ng ibang video sa ating susunod na
Head
video.
south on in 70 meters,
Para po
turn
muna.
right onto
Pansamantala,
Promenade
this is
Avenue.
Jam, the Philippine Channel. Ang iyong pong nagpapala po.